How would it feel to wake up one morning, check your phone, and see that while you were sleeping, your investments made you $500? Not from working, not from a side hustle, just from money doing what money does when you finally put it to work. That feeling has a name: financial freedom. And today, I'm going to show you exactly when it becomes real. The specific moment when your investment income finally beats your day job. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will know the exact number you need, the exact steps to get there, and why it is so much more possible than you have been led to believe. Most of us grew up learning one way to make money. You show up, you work, you get paid, and then you show up again, and work again, and get paid again. It is a cycle. And for most people, it never stops. Not because they did anything wrong, but because nobody ever taught them that there is a second way. There are only two types of income in this world. The first one is active income. You trade your time for money. The moment you stop working, the money stops too. The second one is passive income. Your money earns more money. It works while you sleep, while you eat, while you live your life. The goal of every financial decision you make should be to slowly and quietly build that second stream until one day it becomes big enough to replace the first one. That day is called the crossover point, and it is the most important financial milestone most people have never heard of. Okay, let us talk real numbers, simple ones. Say you bring home $4,000 a month from your job. That's your target. That's what your investments need to beat. Now, how do investments actually pay you money? Through something called dividends and returns. When you invest in something like an index fund, the companies inside that fund share their profits with you regularly. On top of that, your investment grows in value over time. A realistic and conservative return from a simple investment portfolio is around 7% per year on average. That's the long-term historical average of the stock market. Not every year, some years more, some years less, but on average, 7%. So now the question is, how much money do you need invested to generate $4,000 a month? Here's the math. $4,000 a month is $48,000 a year. If your investments pay you around 4% annually in usable income, you divide 48,000 by 0.04 and you get $1.2 million. Now, I know what you just thought. You thought, that's impossible for me. Keep watching, because that thought is exactly what keeps most people from ever building real wealth. Let me show you what time actually does to money. Imagine you're 30 years old today. You start putting $500 a month into a simple index fund. You never miss a month, you never try to time the market, you just let it sit and grow at 7% per year. By the time you are 60, 30 years later, you would have around $560,000 from just $500 a month. Now imagine you stretch that to $1,000 a month. Same 30 years, same 7%. You would have $1.1 million. And if you can get to $1,500 a month, $1.7 million. You just crossed over. Your investments now generate more than your job ever did. And here is the part that matters most. You did not do anything complicated. You did not pick stocks. You did not become a finance expert. You just started, and you stayed consistent. That is the secret: time and consistency. Because compounding is not just a math concept, it's the closest thing to a superpower that regular people have access to. I want to stop here for a second, because I think there's something more important than any number I have given you. Most people hear information like this and feel two things at the same time: inspired and overwhelmed. Inspired because it makes sense, overwhelmed because the finish line feels so far away. So I want you to hear this clearly. You do not have to reach the finish line today. You just have to move. Because here's what actually happens when you start investing. It doesn't feel real at first. Your first month, you invest $100 and it earns maybe 60 cents. That feels pointless. But then something quietly starts happening. A few years in, your portfolio starts generating $50 a month on its own, then $100, then $200. Then one day, your investments earn more in a single month than your very first paycheck ever did. And something changes in you, not just financially, emotionally. You stop feeling like money controls you. You start feeling like you're building something real. Something that grows without you having to grind for every single dollar. That shift is worth more than any investment return. All right, let us make this real. Here is exactly what you do. Step 1, find your number. Figure out how much you actually spend every month, not what you earn, what you spend, because that is your real target. If you live on $2,500 a month, your crossover point is much closer than someone spending $5,000. Your lifestyle sets your finish line. Step 2, open the right account. If your job offers a 401k with an employer match, start there immediately. That match is free money. Skipping it is like your employer handing you cash and you handing it right back. If you do not have that option, open a Roth IRA. It lets your money grow completely tax-free. If you are outside the United States, look for whatever tax-advantaged retirement account exists in your country. They almost always exist. Step 3, buy index funds. You do not need to pick individual stocks. You do not need to understand quarterly earnings reports. A simple total market index fund gives you a tiny piece of ownership in thousands of companies at once. Low fees, automatic diversification, long track record. This is what most financial experts actually recommend for most people. Step 4, automate everything. Set up an automatic transfer on the day you get paid, before the money hits your spending account, before you can talk yourself out of it. Even if it's $100 right now, the habit is the foundation. The amount grows later. Step 5, increase it whenever you can. Every time you get a raise, increase your investment by at least half of that raise. You will barely notice the difference in your lifestyle, but your future portfolio will absolutely feel it. That is the whole system. 5 steps, no complexity required, no finance degree needed. Here's the truth I want to leave you with. The people who reach that crossover point are not special. They did not come from wealthy families. They did not get lucky with a hot stock tip. They did not have some secret that you do not have access to. They just started earlier than they thought they needed to, and they stayed consistent longer than felt comfortable. The crossover point is not a fantasy, it's a math equation. And the most powerful variable inside that equation is time. Every single day you wait, you are giving up compounding that you can never get back. But every single day you invest, even a small amount, you are buying yourself a piece of a future where money is no longer something that stresses you out or controls you. So here's what I want you to do right now before you close this video. Just one thing. Open an investment account if you do not have one. Move $50. Set up an automatic transfer for next payday. Something small, something real, something that turns this from interesting into actual. Because your crossover point exists. It has your name on it, and it is waiting for you to take the very first step toward it. If this video helped you see things differently, share it with one person who needs to hear it, and drop a comment below telling me your monthly investment goal. I read every single one.